Have you ever wanted to get a wider image from this to this, from this to this, from this to this, without using the ultra-wide camera from your phone, so you get that distortion at the end? This newer wide-angle lens might be the lens that you are looking for. What's up guys, welcome back to Cal Honest Guide. My name is Razif and today is going to be another lens review episode. It's going to be the newer wide-angle lens. We're going to see the unboxing first, then I'm going to put this lens to the test. At the end of this video, you're going to be the judge and see whether this wide-angle lens is the lens that you need. Let's go! Alright, let's unbox this lens. This is the box, this newer. Take it out, you get this manual. It comes with a hardcover case. It's just nice and secure. That's the lens. First thing is the microfiber cloth given. This is the lens here. You've got the front cap and the back cap. This is what the lens looks like. You can see there, 43 above, 17 below, newer, and this is it, wide lens, 18mm. Now the back cap here, you can see that the 17mm thread there can cover most current new generation phones. So it is a 17mm thread, so you need a 17mm phone case. And the lens does not weigh that much, it's not heavy. Now the first test here, taken using just the phone lens. You can see the background is just nice background blur, the subject, but when I fix the wide angle, the newer wide angle lens, you can see that the background is much more further back a bit, while the subject appears much more in front, closer to the lens. Second example here, just the camera alone, the phone. Now with the newer lens on the phone, you can see that the subject is much more closer while the background is in the back. This is just the phone again, and then now you see that with the newer lens, you can see the subject is much more nearer. This is the edge-to-edge test. Edge-to-edge test, it is very clear, no problem here. Second shot here, again no problem, edge-to-edge is super clear. And the last example here for the city skyline, you can see that the edge-to-edge is just super clear. This is the shot you get without the lens. This is purely from the phone, the main camera or the wide camera there, the main camera. So this is what you get. You can see the edge to edge here, up and down. So now I'm going to attach the newer wide angle lens and see what is the wide image lens looks like. So this is when the lens is attached. This is the newer wide angle lens. You can see there's more towards the edge on my right and on my left. You can see the top, you can see below, you can see more of me. So this is the image you get. You can see the edge to edge is super clear. You can see more of the water fountain over there. You can see more people walking by. So this is it. So this is the test. Now I'm going to attach the wide lens here on the Tele lens. This is just the wide lens on the normal camera. Now this is the wide lens on the telephoto lens of the phone. Now this is the shot you get. Another example here, just the newer lens on the normal wide camera lens here, the main camera. And then now this is the wide lens on the telephoto lens of the phone. You can see how it's pushed in, it's punched in, gives you a different kind of shot. Third example here, main camera with the lens. And this is the lens on the telephoto lens of the phone again. Final example, just the main camera with the lens. Now the lens on the telephoto lens of the phone. So it's all up to you when you want to use this kind of shot. Now the gimbal compatibility, since the lens, this wide lens is not that heavy, so normal phone gimbal is okay, and also the hybrid gimbal here is also compatible. So no problem with the gimbal compatibility. So now I'm going to show you another video test using the newer wide angle lens. So every shot you see is going to be purely using the wide angle lens. So let's check it out. So that's it guys for today's lens review episode. If you like what this lens produces, the image that you have seen, if you're interested, I'll put the link for this lens on the description below. Check them out. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comment section. I'll answer them as fast as possible. Any questions from compatibility of smartphones to gimbals, the weight, anything, I'll answer them as fast as possible. And also please hit the subscribe button and also the thumbs up. It's going to be really helpful for me. Thank you again for those of you who have subscribed and shared this journey with me so far. I'll produce more videos on lens reviews, and if you're interested, please watch them. Oh yeah, and one more thing. I have attended many cosplay events using these lenses, so please go to the front page of my channel, go to the playlist. You can see there are many videos there, cosplay videos, events that I've attended using the smartphone and also lenses. I've used telephoto lenses from different other brands, also wide-angle lenses and anamorphic lenses as well. So check them out. And if you're interested, I have already put links to those lenses on the description below. So you can check them out. For those of you who want to start your photography journey, your videography journey using smartphone, I think you can check those videos out and see whether those lenses interest you or not. That's it guys for today's episode. My name is Razif. This is Carolina's Guide. See you in the next episode. Stay curious, my friends.